Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can enable Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first step you need to do is to open settings of your smartphone and you need to go into the app management and click on app list. And here you need to search for the WhatsApp. Click on that. Here you can see different options. You simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage. And then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. Click on that and you need to update your WhatsApp, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and you need to open WhatsApp and access your account. And once you done that, you have this Meta AI option that you can use. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.